It is commonly said that financial traders need to have nerves of steel and eyes like hawks to trade the financial markets successfully. Unfortunately, very few people in the world have these capabilities. That is why only about 1% of financial day traders can predictably profit. The average individual trader underperforms the market index by 1.5% annually, while active traders underperform the index by 6.5% annually. Human traders need to learn for years to be able to trade. They need to follow multiple assets and look at many financial indicators to predict price movement and trends. Yet, they can only monitor a limited number of assets and factors, and accordingly, they miss huge opportunities to make profits. Current automated trading platforms are mostly rule-based pre-configured models. They can't evolve over time or learn autonomously from experience, as they still need to be reconfigured manually. That's why we created Investiva, a fully autonomous AI platform to analyze the state and trends of various financial assets in the stock market and execute trades automatically with no human intervention. Predictiva, we make advanced AI available to everyone. Inspired by arcade gaming strategies, we built Investiva using the state-of-the-art deep reinforcement learning algorithms to beat the most skilled players in the financial markets. For each minute of data, Investiva analyzes hundreds of technical indicators for each asset, covering momentum, volume, volatility, trends, and patterns. The best part is, Investiva uses standard market data, so there's no need to reconfigure anything. All the financial indicators are built inside the model, and we do all the math for you for an enjoyable and profitable trading experience. Our results say it all. Investiva achieved significant profits during live trading, consistently outperforming major market indices such as Dow Jones and S&P 500 without any human interaction. We've been selected as one of the best UK startups by the Tech Nation Rising Stars competition. Predictiva also won the Fintech of the Year award in 2023. The global algorithmic trading software market is expected to grow to $18.8 billion by 2024, with a compound annual growth rate of 11.1%. Our vision is to use artificial intelligence to revolutionize financial trading and asset management, establishing a new era of autonomous, data-driven decision-making for unmatched financial performance. Join us on the journey from artificial intelligence to financial intelligence. Predictiva. We make advanced AI available to everyone.